Duct tape science. Making water. You can turn salt water into drinking water with just duct tape and sunlight. Sounds crazy? Let's prove it. Two guys stuck in the wild, with nothing but miles of duct tape. Sounds impossible, right? Adam heads into the wild to search for drinkable water. All these plants are alive, so something's watering them. Classic survival dilemma. I need water, but I'm sweating too much. If I don't find some soon, I'm in trouble. Meanwhile, Jamie takes a different route, science. He plans to turn salt water into fresh water. There's salt water all around, but I can turn it into fresh water using sunlight and duct tape. He's building a solar still, a simple device that uses the sun to pull fresh water from salty ground. Step 1. Dig a hole until it gets damp. Step 2. Put a duct tape cup in the middle. Step 3. Cover it with clear plastic. The sun heats the ground, making water evaporate. Hey, survival's about using everything. This shrink wrap helps capture all the evaporated water. 2 hours later, the big reveal. Will the solar still work? That's about 1/4 of a cup. Enough to lick, not live. Back in the jungle, Adam strikes gold. Real fresh water. Yes. Step 1. Complete. Now how do I carry this back? He makes a DIY water bottle with duct tape, hoping it holds up. Okay, here goes nothing. One wrong fold and it'll leak out. And it works. The tape bottle holds. This is awesome. It's cold, and it's working. Who knew duct tape could do this? Duct tape alone won't save your life, but with science, sweat, and creativity, it gives you a chance. Want more wild experiments and survival hacks? Hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you learned something. Comment what you would make with only duct tape.